Good day everyone, my name is Brian J. Tuazon. I'm from DC1F, and now I will discuss the topic Momentum and Newton's second law of the subject Physics for Engineers. Now I will show you an example about momentum and Newton's second law. Calculate the force exerted on a rocket when the propelling gases are being expelled at a rate of 1,300 kg per second with a speed of 4.5 times 10 to the 4th meter per second. So, calculate daw natin yung force na nag-exert sa rocket. So, we have force of the gases is equals to change in momentum over change in time. So, since wala naman tayo given sa problem ng momentum, yung change in momentum natin ay magiging mass times change in velocity over time, change in time. So, ito na yung magiging formula natin. Look at the force exerted on a rocket. Propelling gases are being expelled at a rate of 1,300 kilogram per second. So, yung 1,300 kilogram per second na to, ito siya. Yung mass and yung time over time. So, yung M over change in time natin ngayon is equals to 1,300 kilogram per second. Then, yung change in velocity natin, so given naman siya, yung 4.5 times 10 to the 4th meter per second. To calculate the force, i-input lang natin yung mga given sa formula. So, force equals to M over T natin na 1,300 kilogram per second multiply to the velocity 4.5 times 10 to the 4th meter per second. So, pag kinalculate yan, ang magiging sagot ay 5.9 times 10 to the 7 Newton. So, this is the final answer.